Hello everybody, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up some new 2022 fantasy castings, including this new green Batmobile. The first car I want to take a look at is the Bogzilla, a Hot Wheels Ride-Ons, and it has a special feature where you can put those minifigures on. It's number 16, and these cars are from the B case. And this is the new color for 2022. I'm going to tear this one open and see what it looks like. Alright, so the first color for 2022 has a nice matte army green color with those red off-road wheels. Those are beadlock off-road, blower wheels as I like to call them. Nice dark red chrome on this one. And it's like a small little Jeep. And let's take a nice look. It's got some white and red tampos. It's kind of like teeth, a mouth, like a jaw, and has a nice tampo design, a white Hot Wheels logo right there, and some nice color combinations. Look at the front there, a nice front, and that is part of the interior that clips on. Some brush guard. Loving the big off-road wheels on this one, and there's the interior with a chrome floor and a black interior. This one has a little handle that you can put the little figures on, and I think he can only hold on with one hand. And I think he might also be able to attach to the back. Maybe not. But anyways, I'm just going to throw that guy across the room. So there's the back of the new Bogzilla. Kind of like Gorilla, Bogzilla, Godzilla, you know. I don't even know. It kind of reminds me of it. I love the nice color scheme, those lights up there, and a chrome plastic base. This one is made in Malaysia like all the other ones. A new motorcycle casting, the Flyby from the HW Contoured series, number 45, another B-case car. And this one has streamlined features. And this is the newest color of the Flyby, a nice futuristic motorcycle thing with those MC3 wheels, the motocross 3 spokes. Do love the tampos, or not really tampos. It's got blue and black tampos on it, and a nice seat there which says Hot Wheels in a matte black. And it's got nice a nice clear green body, excuse me. Look at those fins in the back. Those fins are metal, and that is all part of the base. The base is metal as well. This casting came out in 2014, and the copyright says 2013, but I'm imagining the first edition probably came out around 2014. Did not know that there was a moving part here. Kind of like moves around. Don't know if it's supposed to do that, but it's interesting. I love the color on the wheels, and I love the streamlined feature of this one. Definitely looks way cooler. Loose, and in my collection, just a very nice one with the nice tampo designs. There's the back. Really love those big fins which are attached to the base. A nice motorcycle to add to the collection. Here's the Batmobile, the green Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile, and the new color of it right now is going to be like a brownish red kind of color. This is number 2 of 5 from the 2022 Batman series. Number 32 on the year, and this is the new Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. There's also an Arkham Knight Batmobile, which I've seen, but I want to get this green version of the Arkham Asylum Batmobile, and I love the green color on this one. It's got gray aero disc wheels, which spin quite well, and I think all that green is going to be die cast, and I just love this one. This one has gray aero disc wheels and a chrome interior and a gray plastic base. This is a 2010 copyright, TMDC Comics, and I like the base design. It's kind of like skinny in the middle and fat on the outside. The Arkham Asylum Batmobile, and this one has some painted details on the front, as you can see. And look at those headlights. Uh-oh. That headlight's kind of broken. Whatever. I guess it was manufactured wrong. And there's the engine right there. Look at the design on the front. Love the wheel Love the wheel choice for this new Batmobile. Love the sleek designs, the fin there. And this one has like interesting windows. Don't know how you're gonna get in this. I haven't really watched any of the Batman movies. I just like looking at the Hot Wheels news and picking these up. I do love the decorative detailed tampo designs. Look at those. And there is the engine, detailed tail lights, and I love the chrome dark green and gray scheme on this new Batmobile. I like it a lot. This is a new Hot Wheels Speed Team casting, the Fast Fish, number 2 of 5 from that series, number 47, Best for Track, B-Case car, and the Hot Wheels Speed Team is the 2022 equivalent of the 2021 series, which was called the Track Stars, I believe. Let's get this newest color of the Fast Fish out of the packaging and see what it looks like. Ooh. Loving the wheels spinning on this one. Those are orange tire aero discs with black rims. I do have another color of this casting. This is the Faster Than Ever. I think it's a 2010 release, but have had this one for a long time. I remember bringing that one so many places. But this one has some nice orange tires, as it is a track star, or as of now they're called the Hot Wheels Speed Team cars. But it says Fast Fish right there. Orange, black, and white stripes on it. And I love like the muscle car design. It's like a futuristic muscle car design. I do like it. I like the glare on the paint there. It's like a gloss yellow color. There's a little scratch on the windshield. That's alright. And liking the tampo scheme. New color. I love the front. The front is probably one of my favorite parts of this Fast Fish. Very nice front details, and look at the clear hood scoop. I love that. That one's really cool. And there's a top, not sure what that is. There's a little spoiler right there on the back. Nice, Fast Fish. The wheels spin very nice on this one. Here's the back. Very nice, very nice, very nice. And there is the base. This is made in Malaysia, mattel, black base. Has those little lines, like those little V-shaped lines. Pretty unique. I do like it. Definitely an awesome one. Last but definitely not least, the Track Manga from the Spoiler Alert series, number 1 of 5. It's number 50, special feature, and I think it's that thing right there. The Spoiler Alert cars, I think, are going to have that moving bumper. Another B-Case car, and I've seen this one a lot, so if you're looking for this one, Walmart is a good place to look. They're probably going to have multiple ones of this one. Let's just see what it looks like. I do love the new color of this one. I do have this one in another color, but I haven't opened it yet. It's from a 5-pack, a 2025 pack, but I love the blue color on this Track Manga. This has some nice wheels. These are deep dish 8-spoke wheels, and they spin quite nice with spoiler alert right on the side. I love the blue color, as I said, and it pairs very nice with the gray and yellow tampos. This Hawkins right there. And spoiler alert, some other tampos, number 27 on the side. And gray interior. I think the gray has a metal flake, and it's got back seats. I think those are back seats. Not quite sure, but it's a 2-door convertible. Like the convertible. It's very cool. And there you are. There's a special feature that it's talking about. I can't get it back down. Alright, well, we'll just leave it at that. There's the front there. And look at that. That's pretty cool. I love the tampos on this one. This one is really awesome. I'm glad I opened this one up. This one is just beautiful. And look at those fenders sticking right out there. Just a beautiful ride. I do really love the color on this one. And look, it says spoiler alert, but it's backwards on that side, frontwards on that side. Look at that yellow base. 2017 copyright on this casting. So quite nice. B-Case car. And probably the newest collector number in the B-Case, number 50. I think number 51 starts at C-Case, and I hope I did not just break that. I did not. We're all good. Which one was your favorite? My pick is the Batmobile, and then close behind that is the Track Manga. I do love this motorcycle as well, and this Ride-On is pretty cool. And the Fast Fish is pretty cool as well. They're all very cool. I love the 2022 mainline cars. Stay tuned for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.